Welcome to Stats and Research, your gateway to intelligent, data-driven decision-making in a fast-changing world. We are a global market research and consulting firm dedicated to delivering accurate, insightful, and actionable intelligence across a wide range of industries. From emerging startups to global enterprises, we empower organizations to make confident business decisions based on real data and strategic foresight. Our team of experienced analysts, domain experts, and consultants work closely with clients to understand their unique challenges and provide customized solutions that truly drive impact. We specialize in market sizing and forecasting, competitive intelligence, customized research and consulting, and consumer behavior and trend analysis. At Stats and Research, we believe that clarity leads to confidence. That's why we go beyond surface-level data to uncover meaningful insights that shape your business strategy, reduce risk, and maximize growth potential. Whether you're launching a new product, entering a new market, or tracking industry performance, we're here to guide your decisions with precision and expertise. Our research spans key sectors including healthcare, technology, automotive, energy, manufacturing, and more, helping clients stay ahead of disruption and lead with vision. Trusted by Fortune 500 companies, government bodies, and SMEs alike, our commitment is to deliver value through integrity, innovation, and insight. Stats and Research, turning data into decisions. Visit www.statsandresearch.com to learn how we can help you lead smarter today and into the future.